All right, guys, so in today's video, what we're going to be doing is seam sealing the 1969 Ford Torino. Some of the things that we're going to be using is an electric caulking gun that I got on Amazon. A link will be in the description. High solid seam sealer from Eastwood. You're going to need some scissors, something to puncture this tube with. I definitely recommend getting some gloves as well as some masking tape so you can tape off any areas that you don't want the seam sealer to be getting, and also it leaves a nice crisp line. I'm gonna take you through the steps on what I do to get this done, and hopefully you can leave me a like and possibly subscribe, and thanks for watching. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and tape off. We're gonna tape off any area we don't want the seam sealer to be getting, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I'm gonna let this seam sealer fully cure, and then we're gonna come back in another video and install this sound deadening material. And I'm gonna let you guys be the judge if it really actually works or makes a difference in your car or not. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you next time.